Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by powering down, unplugging, and setting the Ps5 on a soft towel to avoid scratches. Once done, remove the stand screw if present and store it safely. Position yourself at the lower corner of the panel. Use your fingertips to lift slightly and slide the cover toward the rear about 3 to 4 centimeters. This disengages the clips. Make sure you feel the release instead of forcing the piece off, because the tabs are plastic and can bend. After the initial panel release, continue with the opposite side the same way. Slide it rearward and lift up to free the clips. Once both outer plates are off, inspect the tabs and clean any dust using short compressed air bursts. Do not touch internals. When fitting the new cover, align the rear tabs first, then lower the front edge into place. Press gently along the edges until you hear clicks. This confirms the clips re-engaged. Make sure there's no gap and nothing. With the new panels seated, reinstall the stand and return the screw you removed earlier. Keep parts together in a small bag. Reconnect power and peripherals, then turn the console on to confirm normal operation and that fan noise or lights are unchanged. If something feels off, don't force the cover, power down and try again. A common fix is realigning the rear tabs or removing a stray cable. Once everything sits flush, you're finished and ready to play.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.